Hi everyone, my name is Sandra Nuñez and I am a program coordinator for ICES for the Long Beach Unified School District team. And I'm here today with my little friend, well she's my daughter. What's your name, daughter?
Samantha.
Samantha. And Samantha actually goes to a school at Montebello Unified School District, so it's right around the corner. And she is off for a couple weeks, so we decided that we would do a fun video for you in case you are done with your homework and you're looking for something to do at home during this time. So we will help you guys create a fun stress ball. Go ahead and show it to them.
Me and my mom already made one, guys.
Yep, we made one already, and this is a silly one that Sam decided to make, and we put a little positive message in the back. It says stay positive, and this will help everybody out. I know we're having stressful times, and I know everybody's eager to go back to work or go back to school, so these will certainly help you through the tough times, right, Sam?
They're hard, but it's okay.
Yep, it's squishy. Okay, so we're gonna go over the materials that we'll be using for today's tutorial. Sammy, do you want to go ahead and introduce our materials?
Oh yes. So we have, you can see right here, we have balloons. We have a bucket of rice, and we've got some string, rainbow string.
Right, and we also have pre-made funnels out of paper that Mom made, right, Sam?
Yeah.
And some balloons that are attached to it already. We also have some measuring cups or anything that you want to easily grab that rice and pour it onto your balloon. We also have our scissors. And we have our Sharpies. And
that's what we're gonna need.
yeah, that's what we're gonna need. Okay, Sam, so should we get started with this? So
yes.
We're going to go ahead and grab our funnel. Go ahead and grab your funnel. Go ahead and grab your cup. And we're going to slowly pour our rice. So take your time. This is all about relaxation. Take your time and let's pour our rice onto our balloon.
Mine's just stuck right here.
Oh, it might get stuck, but just make sure it goes all the way down, right, Sam? All the way down. You might need to pour it twice, I'd say. It doesn't need that much, right?
I put a little bit this time.
Okay, just keep pouring, like Finding Nemo. Just keep pouring. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that it doesn't reach the top, because then you're gonna have a big mess. So Sam, where are you? Okay, so I will help you first, and you can help each other. You have a partner that you're doing this with.
Like your tia, like your mom, like your dad, and your cousin, like a big cousin.
Anybody really.
Or you can do it by yourself.
Sure. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and tie your stress ball, my dear. Here you go. And let Mommy do hers now. And we're going to make sure that we pour on the rice, excess rice back onto the bowl. And again, we're going to go ahead and tie it. Tie it. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use a second balloon. Can you show me your second balloon? And the reason why you're seeing a second balloon is just to reinforce it, make sure it doesn't rip, and then all your rice comes out. This will make it a little stronger. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and cut it. Just very little.
Right here.
Just a little lower. Can I help you? And you can help your child or anyone, if you have parents around that can help you cut this, it'd be best. Safety first, guys, always safety. Okay, there you go. So this is a little harder to do, so you will need to put in all your muscles in, and what you're doing is you're just putting your old stress ball inside the new balloon. Then once you have your balloon inside your other balloon, you can go ahead and choose your rainbow string. So Sam, what color would you like?
There's so many choices.
What to do?
Can I go for two?
Well, let's do one first. So I'm gonna go ahead and get yellow. So Sam, what color are you gonna get?
You know what? Yellow's kind of a good color. Yeah, I'll go for yellow too.
Sure. We have plenty. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wrap it around our fingers. Use 4 fingers, like so. And we're gonna wrap it. And we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna wrap it. maybe 4 times. There you go. Take it
Like
out.
that?
So with the remainder, I'm gonna go ahead and cut
I
that
can't do
piece.
it.
It's okay. Mommy's gonna help.
Take it out. It's out.
So there it goes. This is Samantha's. We're gonna go ahead and cut hers as well.
So we
Just
gotta
put
make
it on your
sure.
table. Don't touch it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use another piece that we have, and I'm gonna go ahead and tie it. Tie it twice, so it's facing there. Something like this. That's what you're looking at, okay?
Good job, Mom.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut all these ends. I'll give you this one, Sam, okay?
Yay. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. What a polite child I have. So now, once we have that, there's our silly hair. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this silly hair around the balloon. And we're gonna go ahead now and cut this top part and whatever's hanging out, okay?
Yeah, because we did a little mistake on there, so on mine. Because
Okay, there you go.
here.
So there's a silly hair on your balloon, on your stress ball, right?
Hi.
Hello. And now we're gonna go ahead and get to decorate,
There's
right?
mine.
But let me tell you guys, these help. These help a lot, especially during these times.
Oh, I had 2 massagers.
So there's mine, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a smiley face.
That's kind of come off on my other one.
And I'm gonna say hashtag
I want to do
ICES.
that, Mom.
Sure. So there's mine, a little smiley face, and then on the back it says hashtag ICES.
If you don't know what that means, you can find it out.
Well, no, you can actually log on to our website, iceseducation.org, and you will go to the COVID-19 resource page that our marketing director has created, and she has awesome tutorials from all of our site directors that are out there ready to go and to help you get active. And you can go ahead and watch those videos or use those resources that we're posting online that are free for all your kids, for everybody at home right now. So anything you want to say, my dear?
Yes.
Of course.
Mommy, can we also rate hashtag our names?
Of course you can. It's yours, so you can do whatever you want with it. But like I said, it was very simple to do, and we had all of this at home, so we didn't have to go anywhere for it. So we did that, and like I said, so I think it's time to say goodbye now. So goodbye, and stay positive, and use your stress balls when you're not feeling so well. All right.
And like when you're sad.
Till next time. Bye.
Bye.